Don't get high on your own supply. Now I know we heard that growing up with drug movies and different cliches from drug lords and things like that. But the way I'm putting it is, don't get high on your own supply means don't get too cocky. Don't get too arrogant. Don't get to thinking that your shit don't stink, because believe me, it does. And you put yourself in a situation where you stepping on a lot of people, and now those same ones you just stepped on and said there wasn't nothing because you got too you had too much of your own product, too much of your own ego, and now you got to go back to them. So now it's a humbling situation for you. So I would say this: while you struggling, while you grinding, and once you hit your little peak of success, it's fine. Everybody want to get there, but don't rub it in nobody else's face, or don't get too high on it where you missing all the stuff that's going on around you. The people that really mean something, the people who really got your back. So don't get high on your own supply. Hold on.